Check out this pre-owned 2006 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include DVD player, power sunroof, navigation system, automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and power windows.